If you're looking for a huge amount of money, maybe to start a business, maybe you want to invest, then this video is for you. Did you know that you can actually get up to 1,000,000 shillings without any collateral, without any security? In this video, I'm gonna be telling you where to get loans without needing to have any security. Hey guys, what's up? What's going on? Hoping you guys are doing fine. Welcome back to ksh's channel. In case you're new to this channel, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. You don't want to miss on my future videos. And welcome back, guys. Okay, I'm gonna be telling you where to get loans without any security. I don't want to waste time, so let's get into the video. Number one, you can get these loans from microfinances. Why microfinances are better is because they have more flexibility than the banks. For microfinance, you just need to go and apply the loans and then you're given the money. You don't even need to have any guarantors. You don't need to have any security. Most of them will just give you a loan without anything. But one red flag about microfinances is their huge interest. They usually have very high interest rates, and you can pay up to 2 times what you took from them. So if you're willing to pay a little bit more but get your money, then you can check out the microfinance. We have so many, for example, Fahulu. We also have Uwezo Microfinance Bank. We also have KWFT and so many others, but those are the most common. Although, guys, as you take these loans, be very cautious of the interest. The loan interests are on the high. Another institution that can give you a loan without security is a SACCO. Now, there are so many SACCOs that are available. The only thing about the SACCOs is that you need to have at least shares with them. So if you have, let's say, 100,000 shares, then you can be given a loan of maybe 80% of your shares, so you can get like 80,000. So that's the only problem with a SACCO. You need to have shares with them. In case you refuse to repay their loan, they're gonna take your shares back. So if you have shares with them, you don't even need any guarantor to get a loan. They just give you a loan and you'll be good to go. There are so many SACCOs that are available right now. I believe every town has like 5 SACCOs that are available. So you just need to pick the one that is very good, and the one that has many people. Definitely the one which is popular will have better incentives, better products, and also it gives some sense of security. Now, another place you can get this kind of loans are peer-to-peer lending. I don't know if you've heard about that. These are institutions which are not banks, and they are not SACCOs, they are not microfinances. They are just financial institutions, and they are bigger than the loan apps. I know you people have seen them. For example, My Credit. The other one, I think even Platform, is such kind of a financial institution. So you just need to take a loan from them. But then the problem is, just like the microfinances, their interest rates are usually so high, and then they are going to bombard you with so many messages. Once you take those loans, hey, you will never rest. The messages you'll be receiving and the calls, so much disturbance, and then you will repay that loan hadi uchoke. The loans do not have any end. I love saying both the pros and the cons so that you guys can choose what you feel you're comfortable with. I feel like they are good. They will give you quick cash, but then after that, bro, your mental stability might even become unstable and unstable. Yeah, that's another financial institution that can give you huge amount of money. Next one are the loan apps. The loan apps that are usually very legit are like Tala and Branch, because they've been there for a very long time. Now, for these ones, you need to have been a customer. You need to have transacted with them more frequently. So you're not going to get huge amounts of loan if you've not been loyal. What you need to do if you want to get loans with them, you just need to start by repaying the small loans that they give you. Like me, I started with Tala at 500. I moved to 1,000, then 2,000, and then I wakanishutisha hadi kwa 6,000. So if you repay your loans on time, I believe your loan limit for these loan apps could go up to 100k or 50k. So once your loan limit increases like that, then you can comfortably take a loan from them. And also remember, loan apps usually have very, very high interest rates too. Okay, definitely let's talk about the bank. These are the most reliable financiers. Most banks actually can give you a personal loan without any collateral, without any security, but you must have been their customer. Like, they will check your transactions, they will check how frequent you usually spend money, and some of them may even want to see your payslip or an evidence that you're making money, that you'll be able or capable to pay the loan. So that's the disadvantage. But there are banks like Equity which have so many offers, especially for business people. I believe if you go to Equity Bank and you just explain to them, you might get a loan. They usually call it Equity Personal Loan. I think so many people have benefited from it, business people, and even banks like KCB and Cooperative. Those big financial institutions could be of help, but then you have to have a lot of evidence to prove that you will be able to repay that loan. Yep. In case I've forgotten any, you people feel free to comment down below and tell me, remind us. And also, if you have any experience with any of those that I've mentioned, you can comment down below and tell me. In case you have a question, definitely you can feel free to ask. I'm gonna be replying to all your comments, guys, and I hope you've liked this video. Please don't leave my video without liking. You guys, as we always do it, every time you watch my video, just give it a like. Don't ever leave without liking. It really helps to boost me on YouTube, and it helps me also to know the kind of videos you people want to see. So please leave a like on this video. Yep, those are the most common financials that are popular in Kenya. In case you have any addition, you can also add in the comment section. I always leave you with a very important message that loans need to be taken wisely. You should not take loans without any plan. Before you take any loan, make sure you have a plan on how you're going to spend it wisely, how it's going to give you some return so that you can be able to repay it back. And I always insist, when you take loans, please repay them back, guys. You want to build a good credit score. Don't fail to repay loans. They will bring you a lot of problems in future. So anytime you take a loan, make sure you repay it on time, and you're going to be very, very financially free. By the way, the goal is to have financial freedom, and you cannot get that if you don't repay your loans. Also, you cannot get that if you take loans that are not necessary or that are not going to be useful to you. Be very, very wise when you're using these loans, and at the end of the day, once it helps you, you're going to benefit, you know. But if you don't do that, you're going to come back here and regret, and we don't want that, guys. Yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope it was useful. I hope you guys have liked, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you've not yet subscribed, hit the notification bell on. Anytime I post a video, you're going to be notified. Okay, that's it for today, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Until the next one, bye.